of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, and Your Excellency as well, the Executive Vice President of the European Commission, Honorable Cabinet Minister for Investment, Trade and Industry, all permanent secretaries present, all visiting members of the delegation from the European Commission, and also all ambassadors present and all teams, and of course members of the private sector. Good morning once again. We're here today on a very momentous occasion to basically celebrate and indicate to the world that Kenya and the European Union is ready to make significant steps forward in order to strengthen our trading, investment, and economic cooperation. Today is a momentous occasion whereby we shall be telling the world that we are prepared now for an economic partnership agreement between Kenya and the European Union. Today, we shall be having a few statements by the chief negotiators, one from the European Commission and one from Kenya, that's myself, and then we shall proceed to have a statement from Honorable Cabinet Secretary for Investment, Trade and Industry. Thereafter, we shall have a statement from the Executive Vice President from the European Commission, and then we shall ask Honorable the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya to say some words and invite His Excellency the President to speak with us. Thereafter, we shall be signing the joint communique, and that will be done by Cabinet Secretary for Trade together with the Executive Vice President. You're most welcome today. Thank you very much. So just proceed. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll go straight to a few points, and then I shall call the Chief Trade Negotiator from the European Union to basically say a few words as well. What is the Economic Partnership Agreement? The Economic Partnership Agreement is between Kenya, a member of the East African Community, on the one part, and the European member, and the European Union and the member states on the other part. In essence, this is an agreement between 27 countries on the one part and Kenya, and eventually the rest of the East African Community. We have the Kingdom of Belgium, the Republic of Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, the Kingdom of Denmark, the Federal Republic of Germany, the Republic of Estonia, the Hellenic Republic, the Kingdom of Spain, the French Republic, the Republic of Croatia, the Italian Republic, the Republic of Cyprus, the Republic of Latvia, the Republic of Lithuania, the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg, Hungary, the Republic of Malta, the Kingdom of the Netherlands, the Republic of Austria, the Republic of Poland, the Portuguese Republic, Romania, the Republic of Slovenia, the Slovak Republic, the Republic of Finland, the Kingdom of Sweden, and the European Union on the one hand, and the Republic of Kenya on the other hand. The EPA stands on the shoulders of agreements that have been done between us as an African continent and our European brothers and sisters, starting from the Cotonou to Ouagadougou, and also takes recognition of the fact that the East African Community is going to be an extremely important pillar of this agreement. The agreement covers several things that are very foundational and fundamental to trade and investment between the two partners. We have finalized an agreement on trade in goods, whereby we shall now have ease in as far as customs procedures. We have agreed on a modality to do rules of origin. We have agreed on issues to do with how movements of goods will be done, taxes and duties, non-tariff measures, transit standards, sanitary and phytosanitary standards, and so on and so forth. This agreement also makes significant progress in as far as making it easy for fisheries